You guys, it's here. Trash talk! It's here! Yeah, I don't care about that number because it's here. Now, before I get into why this box looks so crazy, as you guys can see from the title, this is the H&M and Mugler collaboration. Yes, I got my hands on a few pieces, but before we get into this box, you better subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel, drop a comment, show some love, share, like, all of that. Okay, so what happened with the box? I have no clue. So when it first got here, the box was like this, y'all. Like literally open like this. It had like a little tape thing around it, but I literally dove in this box because I was so afraid that something was missing. But everything was here, and everything is here. I'll give you guys a little backstory. I wanted a Mugler piece for a very long time, and I almost buckled in on Klarna to go get me a pair of denim pants that they had. I don't remember if they were women's pants or men's pants. I just wanted them. Unfortunately, I was unable to get any bottoms. I only got tops from the H&M collection. That's funny. Let's dive in. Of course, as always, I got my hookah. Today's flavor is a berry mix. It's literally like raspberry, blueberries, strawberries, and mint. Not bad. Of course, that's not what y'all here for. Y'all here to see these pieces. The first piece I'm going to show you guys is, first of all, look at the tag. Look at the detailing. It does have the H&M Mugler tag, and then it comes with the Mugler H&M tag here, but look at the detailing as far as the star. Oh my god, and it's over the outfit. Haha, H&M just hit me up. So this is the crop Mugler tank top. It literally zips on the side. This is probably one of the hardest things I've ever had to put myself in because it's like a corset tank top, and it zips up the side. So ultimately, to get in it, you have to slide in through the side and go from there. Love the Mugler in the middle. Do y'all want to know the price? So this is the price. I think it's moderately priced for a Mugler piece. Again, it is a corset, like it's ribbed. Like there are ribbed pieces in here. I got this in a large, and I'm so happy I got it in a large because if I would have got it in a small, I would have been shit out of luck. This is tight as hell. This is tight as hell. Like, I can't eat the day I wear this. I gotta eat ice cubes and water because the way that this fit, it's super nice and it's really good material. However, it is tight. It is so tight on. Like, what? So I'm really glad I got this in a large. The Mugler letters feel so good on this top. Like, come on, I am obsessed.
I don't think you understand. I'm obsessed.
Obsessed. So that's the first piece. So the next item is this item. I like this item. It is very sexy. It's giving date night, but with like sex appeal. Yeah, it's giving eat me at dinner. It's giving dinner date, but I'm the dinner.
You ate that.
Again, the Mugler tags are on it. It's also in the inside, and it says Mugler at the back on the top corner. This shirt has the thumbnail cut out, so when you stick your arms through, you can stick your thumb through the little hole. It's extremely tight as well. The cutout is right here, but my chest is literally like, it's busting through. It's very sleek, it's very sexy. Yeah, I got this in a small. I wish I would have got a medium. I really wish I would have got a medium so I could have a little bit, just a little breathing room. Again, another piece that I'm gonna be eating just ice and water because I don't know how I'm fitting that. All right, we're getting on to the really, really good stuff. And it is hot, but who cares? It's Mugler. I also got the rib. What is this called? It's like a corset jacket. The only thing I'm pissed about is that this does not have pockets. I wish it had pockets on it. There are no other pockets on the inside. Yeah, there are no pockets. Here again, then we have the detailing. You see how this is ribbed? You can build, like, you can actually like fold this. It's ribbed. And then it has the star right there. And I think it also says, Mugler like close towards the neckline. The sizing is great because I didn't want this to be too tight. Plus, when you get to the bottom, it's tight. It's super tight. Oh my god, it says Mugler on the zipper. That's pretty cool. Hold on. Hold on. So, you can't really tell right now how sucking it in it is, but it's definitely like high cut in the back and it's ribbed on the side. The star looks so good and it's super like sexy. Like it's given. I'm gonna have to get black nails or some type of black design for the Beyonce concert. I may get like stripes or something to kind of like match this, but she sucked in, baby. And then again, it says the Mugler right there. It's simple. It's what I was going for. It's where my style is like kind of evolving to nice pieces, sexy pieces, sophisticated, chic. I'm loving it. I'm super loving it. And it has a hood in case I wanted it to be hooded, but I don't. I just wish it had pockets. Pockets would have really like made this 10 out of 10. It's definitely like a 9 out of 10. Uh-oh. These also say Mugler on it. Mugler, but it's Mugler. Let's go ahead and take all that off. So that's the jacket. So the last and final piece that I think is also my favorite piece besides the ribbed tank top is the jacket. Wow. Oh, this is the price. I definitely think it's worth it, especially considering that these items would normally be like $649, $899, $999, $1,000, $1,500. These are affordable pieces for H&M and Mugler. Now this jacket is so good. It says Mugler in the back right here on the patch on the jacket, but when you put it on, oh, it's like it's constructed so that way it's like shoulder pads. I don't know if that makes sense. So I don't know if you guys can really even tell right now, but this is like ribbed. And down at the bottom is the crop piece. This part's buttons while the other part buckles. This jacket is phenomenal. Do you see that? But because it's so constructed so perfectly, anything you wear, it snatches it in. See how like it's making my butt look huge? I mean, my ass is big, but damn. It's like really sucking me in. Absolutely love it. I'm kind of pissed that I wasn't able to get the bottoms for it because I think I could have did something with that, but don't worry. Do not worry. Fire. I love it. It's absolutely stunning. Like, and it's like the perfect shade of denim. I can find something to match with it. I may wear black bottoms and then like I want to get these Givenchy shark boots, the tennis shoe looking ones, so I can like, ooh, if I get them. Or I could wear white Forces and jeans, like, you know, I could keep it simple, but that's like where my fashion is evolving to. But like, you know, the piece itself is a lot. Like, come on 10 out of 10. Would highly recommend. Go a size up. Because this stuff is tight. This stuff is like really, it's like, it feels like costume like material, but it's like mostly spandex. I don't know, what is it made out of? All right, so the black top is made out of 100% organic cotton, recycled polyamide. I don't even think that's in English. That's not in English. Haute couture, exterior board cord. So that's the pieces that's in it. And then it says polyamide recycled. The ribbed tank top is made out of 82% recycled polyamide, and that's it. So that's like a form of spandex, but it's like a recycled material, which is cool. This shit is tight. Like, I'm not even gonna hold you. It's super tight, but it's so nicely made. I love the Mugler detailing. It's just a really nice piece. And I'm super excited I was able to get some pieces. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you got some Mugler pieces, please let me know what you got in the comments below. I would love to know how it's fitting you, how it's looking, how do you guys think it's high quality? Do you think it's worth it? I think everything I purchased was worth it. I 100% think it's worth it. Not because it's Mugler H&M, I just feel like it's, well yeah, because it's Mugler H&M, it's affordable pieces. They are nice, they're high quality, and I can't wait to wear them. So yeah, if this was your first time here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also turn on your post notifications so that way when I post a video, you guys know about it. Comment, share. I'm trying my best to knock out as much content as I can, but I had to get this. I shipped it, expedited it, did everything I needed to do. Yeah, I had to have it. I had to have it. So let me know what you guys think in the comments. I love y'all, and until next time, I'm out.